Gece sway, club now stands proud today. Friendly faces light the way in the heart of Dalyan. Yeah, rooms renewed with love and care. Every corner memories shared. Manager's smile always there. Warmth and welcome in the air. Club now, a home, not just a place. See the joy on every face. Accommodation, sweet embrace in Dalyan soft, tender grace. Evenings by the lantern glow, stories shared, they ebb and flow. Underneath the stars, you know, hearts entwined, daylight slow. A journey's end, a new start. Renovated rooms, a work of art. Manager's warmth steals every heart. Here's where the adventure imparts. River whispers, secrets near. Moments turn to memories dear. Happiness abounds sincere. Club Mel, we cherish here. A home, not just a place. See the joy on every face. Accommodation, sweet embrace in Dalyan soft, tender grace. Evenings by the lantern glow, stories shared, they ebb and flow. Underneath the stars, you know, hearts entwined, daylight slow. A journey's end, a new start. Renovated rooms, a work of art. Manager's warmth steals every heart. Here's where the adventure imparts. River whispers, secrets near. Moments turn to memories dear. Happiness abounds sincere. Club Mel, we cherish here. We cherish here. Welcome to Club Mel, where dreams come to play. Dalyan whispers while you want to stay. Rooms painted in glow, walls with stories told. Friendly manager shows, feel the comfort unfold. Club Mel nights, under Turkish stars. Magic in lights, no place feels so far. Music fills the air, rhythms ancient and new. A family welcomes with care, every smile feels true. Dalyan rivers grace, mountains stand so tall. In this lovely space, you will find your call. Club Mel nights, under Turkish stars. Magic in lights, no place feels so far. chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button, please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Travel with me by your side. New adventures every week.